I know that my Redeemer live, and that he shall stand at the latter day upon the earth. And though after my skin worms destroy this body, yet in my flesh shall I see Elohim, whom I shall see for myself. My eyes shall behold, and not another, though my reins be consumed within me. He said, I know my Redeemer lives. He said, I know it. That's why he say, whosoever live and believe in me shall never taste death. I am the resurrection and the life. Because the power of life was manifested through this man's death. That's why he say we have to judge that if one died for all, then we shall all live. Because that's the power of life. The power of life was contained in Yahushua HaMashiach. Because he has power in him to raise people from the dead. See, let's look at that John 5 real fast where he said that. We read it the other day, but we'll look at it right now. John 5 and 25. He said, truly, truly, I say unto you, the hour is coming, and now is, when the dead shall hear the voice of the Son of Elohim, and they that hear shall live. For as the Father have life in himself, so have he given to the Son to have life in himself. Remember, Mashiach said, no man take my life from me. I have power to lay it down. I have power to pick it up again. My Father has given me this power. Revelation chapter 1. Let me see which one it is that I want. 1 and 17. And look where you see where he fallen at, because how beautiful are the feet of him that bring good tidings. And when I saw him, I fell at his feet as dead. And he laid his right hand upon me, saying unto me, fear not, I am the first and the last. I am he that lived and was dead, and behold, I am alive forevermore. Amen. And I have the keys of hell and death. Because it looked like he said he lived, he died, and he lives forever. Why? Because he had to reveal to you the power of life. And the power of life is in this. Romans chapter 10. The power of life is contained in this. 10 and 16. But they have not all obeyed the gospel, for Isaiah saith Yahuwah, who have believed our report. So then faith come by hearing, and hearing come by the word of Elohim. And Shema is mentioned several times, a couple times in Isaiah 52, for you to hear salvation, for you to hear the good tidings. But y'all willing, we'll pick this up on the Sabbath though. So hallelujah for y'all for the word. We'll start right there.